So this will takes some time to start the servers. Let's try to connect it. So I'm going to select a TCT instance connect to connect it because I'm not going to use it from my laptop to connect it. We can we can able to log into of the server different ways. It can be putty, it can be a system manager, and from the console. So let's clear it. So I'm just talking about right now the simple basic command. So what is this PWD? What it will do? It will just show the print working directory. That means, so which directory you are there. That is what it is going to be shows. And I want to go back. Okay. One directory back. Okay. Just use it cd dot dot. And you can just type it here. Are you there? So earlier we are in the slash home over to, now we are in the home. Okay, that is what cd command it will do. It will go up one directory back and cd home. Okay, this is the command. So this is, it will go to directly to home directory. Then just type it pwd, you will get to know. Okay, so we are in the correct home directory. Then I'm going to talk about list the files. If you make it ls, it will shows all the files. That means there is no files as of now. If you type it ls-la, this will shows with the hidden files. Okay, hidden files it is going to be shows. Then I wanted to list the human readable sizes. That means use it ls-lh. So it will shows how many are there. Okay, this will not shows your. Okay, so it will not shows any hidden files. Now I'll just move to file operations. So I'm going to create the simple file, okay, using the echo command. Let's clear the screen and I'm going to use echo command to just create the file, okay. So I'm going to use this echo and this is a content and it will saved under this name. Just hit enter, just type it ls now. Are you able to see it? There is the one file it is created. Now I wanted to create the another two files using the different command. I'm going to use it touch command. Okay. I wanted to create it file one, file two. Just hit enter, make it ls. Are you able to see it? There is a file one, file two, it is created. You can able to use this command with the content. But if you wanted to create it only files, use the touch command. Now I wanted to create the directory. Just type it mkdir dir. Make it ls. You will see the directory name. So how do we know that this is directory or not? See, so directory it will shows. It will start from the D means it is a directory. If there is no mention, it is a files. That is how we can you should know it. Now I wanted to copy from file 1 to file 2. Whatever, if there is any content, you need to copy it. Just type it file 1, file 2, ll. Okay, if there is any content, it will show. For example, what we can do, let's copy file to file 1. Then just call cat file 1, we can do it. So whatever you have seen it in the file, the same content it is in the file one, right? Okay, sorry, cat one, right? See, the same content it is there because we have copied. Now I wanted to the directory. So now I'm going to use it, right? We have already created a directory, right? So I'm going to use it cp command -r dir to dir. Okay, that means directory to directory I'm just copying. Okay, if there is no directory also, it is going to be automatically it will create it. Okay, whatever there is in the data, it is going to be copied to your directory too. So this is very simple command. And now let's move on to renaming the files. For example, I have a file 1, right? I wanted to make it file 3. Okay. Move file 1 to file 3. Okay. Sorry, ME, right? Make it less. Are you able to see it? There is a file 3. It will just 1 to, it is going to be move rename to file 3. Is there any file 1 here? No, right? Because we have renamed it. Now I wanted to remove the file. Okay, rm file 3. Make it ls. So I have removed it. Now I wanted to remove the directory dir to make it ls. Is it deleted? So this is how we can able to create, delete and rename the files. Now let's go to ls. So we have already see it for the cat command, right? So cat command, what it will do? It will print the whatever there is inside the content. And we can able to use it one more command, less command using. So this will show us last end of the lines. And if you wanted to see last 10 files, okay, then you can able to use it id-n 10, okay, and the file name. Okay, so there is only one line, that is why we are able to see it. But if you wanted to see it, first 10 lines, use a date. Last 10, you can able to use it tail command. Okay, so here is a tail and -n 10 10 and the file name. Okay, this will shows. And somebody has changed the your file name. Okay, your files. How do we know it? So same command you can able to use it. For example, tile, right? Tile -f file. So this is going to be shows where all it is done the changes. And if you wanted to find, search for the pattern. So there is a hundreds of lines, right? How do we search one of the line? You can able to use it grep command. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use grep command here. See, it is highlighting, right? So I'm looking for this with command using the grep. I'm going to use the grep command and which line I want and the file name. So these are all like a file content commands. Let's clear it. Now let's make to system information. So how do we check the uptime of server? For example, uptime. Uptime means your system up and running time. So are you able to see it? Up to 8 minutes. And who logged in? If you type it WHO, you will get to know who all are logged in. If you want one more command W, if you use it, it will shows detailed user activity. And one more command PSAUX. So this is going to be shows running process. So whatever there is a all the process, it is going to be shows. all the running process. And there is a one more command called top. This top command, what it will do, it will shows real-time process monitoring. Like it can be CPU and memory, everything. So here it will shows all the user list, running, total task, memory details, everything. And here which resource it is connected with your PID. That is also it is going to be shows. So these are all very basic. When somebody asking for what is the CPU percentage of your Linux system is running, you can come and you can see it, the CPU percent. Okay. As of now, it is 0. Okay. But the memory, everything it is showing here. Or you can able to see it, see 0.3% it is consuming one services. Memory it is consuming. So you can able to see it CPU memory here. What command or what application it is consuming CPU or memory. So this is a command you need to use it. And there is an alternative option called htop also. So this is also it is going to be shows same thing, but it will shows visualization. If you're able to see it swap, memory, and uptime, load average, task, everything it is going to be shows. Next, free -h. So this is going to be shows your memory usage. If you're able to see it, total is 3.8 and used 451 and 3.2 GB is a free. Remaining all it is consumed. Total available is 3.4 GB. Now let's check the disk usage, right? TF-H. So this will shows your disk details. And next one is du-sh star. So you can able to see the current file directory, what all the file size, everything. The next one is command is lscpu. This is going to be shows all the CPU information. Okay. So it shows CPU information. If you need like a block devices means LSPLK. That means disk details you can able to see. See, there is only one disk. Remaining all partition. So till now, do you have any doubts on system information, file directory, all those things?
Mm,
So these are all the daily activity commands. Okay. So if you do not know this command, it is very tough while doing in the live environment because you are going to check by default you are going to check this lsplk command and the top command htop and CPU. These are the things everybody they will tell you that to check it.
For sir,
Okay.
like,
Mm.
sir, for creating a directory,
Mm.
what is the command?
Sorry.
For creating a directory, sir.
I've already showed right. Do you want me to create one more time?
Yes, sir, creating a directory.
See, this is simple. Are you able to see it? There is a test directory. Earlier it was not there. Now I have created a directory. If you wanted to go inside this directory, just use cd command. Then you will get to know. Then you can create the files, touch files, ll, and go back to one step back, cd dot dot. Make it ls. Are you able to see it? And how do you know that this is directory or not? Right? That is what may be your question. See, if it is D means it is a directory. Okay, any doubt?
No, no, I got it. I got it.
Yeah. I have already explained it. Maybe you are in mute. Okay, this directory creations, everything. Okay, next I'll move on to process management. So now I wanted to check the process of the any of the process. So before that, what I'm going to do, sudo apt update. I'll just install Nginx website. Let's see, to see the process everything. Just clear it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just install the Nginx command. Okay. So the same, I'm going to talk about later, but I wanted to show it. So that is why I'm just installing Nginx here. So now we have installed the Nginx. Now I wanted to see the specific process of any of the resource. It can be a Java, it can be a Nginx, it can be a Python, any of the resource you wanted to see it particularly. So how do you use it? I'm going to use it grep command. Okay. So grep command, what it will do? Exactly, it will go and it will search it for Nginx. See, are you able to see it? It is running only Nginx, it will choose. Now, there is a too much of consumption is happening. I wanted to kill it. So use sudo kill the 2217. So this is a PID. Okay. So it is showing no such process like double two, sorry, 2156. Make it grep again. See, 2156, it is deleted, right? Okay. That means the process is filled. Now sudo kill all Nginx. I wanted to kill it all. Okay, this is going to be kill it. Okay, only the main process will be there. Remaining all, it is deleted, right? We are able to see it. All this is. And you can able to use it using the jobs. You can able to list the active jobs if you have created any jobs. So this command, nobody will not use it, but you should know. So this is all about process management. Now I'll move on to network information. So do you know how to get the IP address from your laptop? So you need to go to that, the command shell prompt. You can just type it ipconfig in Windows. For example, Linux, you can able to use it IP adder show. So you can say that, sir, there is already here, there is IP address. Why you wanted to see it, right? So in the live environment, this is going to be removed. They will make it as a host name. Okay. To get the IP address of, you should know in the Linux IP adder show. So are you able to see the same IP it is showing here? 172.31.46.248, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And I wanted to see the open ports. Okay, for this instance, I wanted to see the open ports. You can able to use the command called netstat. Okay, so what is it is saying? The command not found, right? So if it is not found, you need to install it. So already Ubuntu it is giving the option to install the command. Just use it. So this will install the network package related packages. Just now run it. See, it will shows all the open ports like 53, 22, 68. It is already open, right? So this is what it will show. Okay. So what is the port is listening? 22 it is listening, 53, 53. Okay. These are all the port listens. And there is a one more command called SS command. Okay. Same one only. What netstat it will do, but it will give some detailed information, right? So here, if we are able to see it, it will show same thing, IP address, port number, okay, but 2, 3 stages it will give. That means different states, okay, ID, it is receiving or sending, all the information you will see it. And I wanted to see that Google is pinging. That means there is a connectivity from outside of this machine. Just type it google.com. See, it is pinging to google.com. So yesterday we have seen it, right? Like private instance, you try it tomorrow, maybe today, and check it. The ping is happening from the private server. Okay, that is a one for the assignment for you. Okay. Now let's move on to file permission. Any questions about this process management and network information?
Sir, about this last, which you have given for the instance, I mean, for the assignment.
Sorry,
Sir, the last point just you have said now.
is
Can you
so
please repeat
what?
it once again?
So what you are going to do? So you are going to create the public Windows server and private Windows server, right? So just open the command prompt from the private Windows server. Just try to ping it. Okay? Ping is happening or not. Just check and let me know. Okay? Because it is reaching or not, you should know, right? To the public. Public Windows server also you can check it, and private also you can check it. And let me know. Still you have any confusion?
No, no, sir.
Yeah. So now let's move on to file permission. So now we are able to see it, right? So there is a file permissions here. Okay. So there is a directory, there is a files. Hyphen means files, D means directory. So this stage we call it as a file permission. Now LS, right? There is a file one, right? So file one, there is a read write directory, right? Let me show it to you. Permission notation I can call it as. So 755 means you will get the read write execute, and group you will get read execute, and others you will get a read write. So 7 means read. Okay. Or I can say it. How do we 755? So 7 for it is a read. Okay, just imagine. Okay, 5 means write. And again 5 means write. Okay. So this is like a permission notation. Okay. So owner will have a read, write, execute. That means 7 and group. Where is that group? Are you able to see it? There is a Ubuntu, right? Okay. So this is a user and this is a group. So here you can able to see it. Read, write, execute, right? Read, write, execute, and read, write, execute. Okay. So the maximum permission you give to only 755. Okay. No, sir, I want like a 777. Okay. Because for owner, group, and others should have a 777. No, you should not give it. Okay. The maximum permission you can give it 7 triple five double five. Okay. This is the one, make sure that you should know. This is a file permission or directory permission also you can give it. Now I'm going to give I'll set the permission. Right now, if you're able to see it for the file, read write, there is no execute permission. Again, rewrite, there is no execute. And others, there is no ex write and execute. Now what I'm going to do, chmod 755 and the file name, ll. Are you able to see it? It is given, right? Earlier there is no execute. Now we can able to see it, right? Same thing. So you wanted to make it only for the executable. So for example, if you wanted to run the uh, script, okay, then you can able to use it executable. Plus X means this is a executable. Make it ls. See, are able to see it X. So different way we can able to give it. Okay. For example, right now there is a Ubuntu, right? User and group. No, I wanted to change to root user. Just use a command called ch1 and root. This is user. This is a groups and the which file name we wanted to change it. Just make it ls. Sorry. What is the theoretical operation? Right. Let's use sudo. Ll make it ls. Now see the file name. What is the file name we change? File, right? Yeah. Are you able to change Ubuntu to it was changed to root. No, I wanted to change to group only. Okay, just use it, change group and Ubuntu you can keep it. Make it ls. So again, it is file operation not permitted. Use it sudo wherever there is a sudo permitted, not permitted. See now it is changed to Ubuntu. So this is all about the file permission. Now I'll talk about the server upgrade process or package updates. Okay, how do we update the packages? So I told you earlier also there is a command called sudo apt update. Okay, so this is a command to update the packages. So apt belongs to Ubuntu, M belongs to Red Hat, CentOS, and Amazon Linux. So now it is saying that it is already up to date. Now I wanted to upgrade it. Okay, just use it. So this will be upgrade the packages. Okay. So these are all the changes is happened. It will shows. Okay. And now let's clear it. Cat slash etc hyphen os hyphen release. So this command, so used to see the your entire OS details. Okay. So now I wanted to upgrade it. Okay. If there is any upgradation, it will show here. Okay. Just hit enter. Okay. It is saying that it is already upgraded everything. So there is no changes. So I'm going to share the notes for RHEL and Amazon Linux, how we can able to update and upgrade it. Okay. Any doubts till now?
Sir, what is the code? What is that word for upgradation of the process?
Here is if you wanted to upgrade for Ubuntu. Okay, now if you want Red Hat, I'm going to use it different command. You need to use it M command.
Sir, for the AWS Linux,
Sorry,
for AWS Linux.
AWS. I'm not able to hear you. Can you speak loudly?
Sir, you are saying that for Ubuntu you have kept that. For Red Hat you
Correct.
have another word
Command.
command. And what is for AWS Linux, sir?
That is all same. Okay. Whatever. See, Amazon Linux built with again M directory only. M only they are going to use it. Okay, I told you earlier, right? So Amazon and Red Hat, okay, and what is it? CentOS. These for M and Ubuntu and Debian used for APT. Okay, so say we'll have a different command to update it. Okay, so Red Hat AWS is Amazon Linux same command sudo m update. Okay, same thing you need to use it. So if you type it here also sudo m update, it will not work. It is just command not work. So this is for Amazon Linux and Red Hat and CentOS. So tomorrow I'm going to talk about Windows Server. How do we create it? How to use the PowerShell commands. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir, no.
Yeah. So let's wind up for today's session. Let's catch up tomorrow. If there is any questions, reach out to the team. They will update you.
Sir, please do send these notes.
Yeah, sure. I'm sending. Let me send it right now. You can just copy and paste it here only. That will be good.
Nachari?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I've shared you yesterday's video. Maybe you have got in email, Gmail. Can you check on that? And also today's also